I don't know why, but I got this TRD Sport. And for some reason, I keep getting these black on black cars. And I want to take this A-pillar off and get a good video of it, but it's all black. Now, I did this before. This you don't need tools for. And it reveals a 10 mil. There's another one right here. Now, I'm going to go, on a limb and say, I'm going to take those off, and let's hope that's what removes this whole A-pillar. Got it? Good. It is absolutely how you remove it. And that is the other part number of the JBL system that I would replace with rather than going aftermarket. But, see those two legs right there? They have to line up in the dash. So what I did was, I even used the same handle that it gives you to pull it out. Ah! No! That was my way how to remove it. There you go. There's no clip on here, so I assume it just clips in there. There you go. Then you pull out. But if you do get caught behind this rubber, just use your finger and pull it out. Let me open the door because it's 100 degrees out. And when you put it back in, you'll see the rubber not sit properly. There you go. Pull the rubber down. Beautiful. Put it back where you got it from. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.